Hello, everyone. This is Tim AZ again, giving you another update from the Posa South long-term visitors area. We've just flown up from my camp and are looking out in the distance towards the northeast. If you watched my video from last week, you may notice there's a few more campers out here than there was then. So we're going to fly over to the entrance road, and this time we're going to head to the Laosa South dump site first, and then we'll be flying back over to the other side of Highway 95. I'm glad I got this done late this morning because right now it's pretty windy as I'm recording this audio. So as we fly up here to the dump site, you will see the 4 big blue dumpsters are mostly empty. And you can see a couple RVs in line to do what every RVers consider their favorite chore, dumping the tanks. But this line will grow considerably once the big tent event starts. As this place will really grow in population. And if you pay close attention, you'll see quite a bit of solar on some of these RVs. As I would guess they come here every winter, as I have the last 4 or 5 years. Pay close attention to the RV up in the upper right corner of the picture right now. That motorhome has a huge hydraulically driven RV or solar array on the roof. So as I stated last week, the entrance road to Posa South is very nice now. As the previous years I had come here, it was in pretty bad shape. And just as I said last week, If the video is moving too slow for you, you can speed it up. So you can see the very nice wide area there at the entrance road that is set up for people to pull off into when they pay their fees. And it looks like that schoolie has a decent solar array on the top of it also. So we're flying across Highway 95 now, entering the LTVA known as Tyson Wash. And as you can see, they have not updated this entrance road yet. And I have no idea when or if it's on the schedule to do so. So the widened area just left of the entrance road is the water stations that they've put in, and they are still not open. The next widened area that we're flying up to is the new dump stations, and those are still not open. The ponds that you see up in the left corner are evaporative ponds for the dump stations. So I'm not sure if I want to camp close to that area. Just saying. So you can see there's not near as many RVs in Tyson Wash yet, but it also will fill up. Now keep in mind, I am only looking at Tyson Wash and Posa South. There are many other BLM locations to stay at, both short-term and long-term. And the vast majority of them in the Quartzsite area will fill up sometime in January. Talking to other people in my camp, we all seem to believe that there is slightly more RVs here in the Posa South for this time of year than there was previous. So we are now flying back over Highway 95 headed back to our camp, which one of my campmates named the Last Exit Camp. You can see our camp at the very top of the picture in the center now. So I hope you enjoyed the flight, and I will try to post another one of these videos in the next 5 days to a week. Take care.